To set alarm clock on Pixel 9a, start by opening clock application, go into alarm, and you can try to use one of the two default presets. So let's say that I'm gonna use the first one, and first of all you can set date. So let's say that I want to get this alarm every Sunday and Friday, but if I want to go forward, if I want to schedule that alarm, I will have to unselect all of those days and click on the plus on the schedule alarm. And now you can pick any date, any month, any year, any week, whatever. Now you get also the option to set the Spotify music as ringtone, YouTube music, or you can click outside and record sound for your alert. You can pick default sound. There's actually a lot of things to set up. Next, you can also turn on and off vibrations. You can also do the same for weather. For weather forecast. And there's also some Google Assistant routine. And now to turn it on, just click on that switcher, and here you can find short information how long it will take to actually activate the specific alarm.